Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a Hobbycraft Artisan and artist. Today I'm going to show you how to do the fluid art flip cup technique. Let's get started. Subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Make sure to wear protective gloves and cover any surfaces before starting. Cover your canvas in white. Tip off any excess using your drip tray and make sure you cover the whole canvas. Grab your cup and add your choice of colours. Pick up your canvas and your cup. Make sure you bring them together carefully. You don't want to tip the cup straight onto the canvas as your paint will pour out. Move your cup around and allow the paint to seep out from the bottom of the cup. You can move your pattern around to make it a bit more dynamic. The details within the pattern will get bigger when you tilt it. For more fluid art techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.